I've been volunteering for 6 months, and when I volunteer in the women's unit. I care for the patient by getting them anything they need, asking if they're okay, making sure they're always in a good mood. Sometimes they're not, so we pass on our smile to them. Hopefully that will help them.
People can actually request pet therapy on their TV screen. There have been times where I've gone to visit someone and a family member says to me, "You came to visit my father 10 years ago, and I remember your dog Teddy." You know, when they remember something from 10, 11, 12 years ago that really stuck with them, you know that you've made a difference. Compared to what they're going through, it's just a small thing. But when you see, you know, kids who are afraid and then they forget that they're afraid because they're petting the dog and they're talking to you about their pets, and you know, it just makes you feel really good.
I've been a volunteer here at Henry Mayo for probably 12, 13 years, somewhere along that line. Patients come in here and they're anxious, perhaps anxious and concerned, as anybody would be. And of course their relatives, their mothers, fathers, daughters, are concerned with them too. So when we can show the patient and the family that we care for their welfare, we want them to regain good health as soon as possible, then it indicates that I think we're on the right track. Well, that makes me feel good. Yeah, it's a reward, see? It's a reward to feel good.
One of the things that I'm working with the two other ladies through the auxiliary, hence the gift shop, is the teddy bear drive. And what we are doing is collecting teddy bears to give to our pediatric ER patients, as well as our DOU and outpatient service young people. I saw a little boy, like 10 years old, just hug a stuffed animal. It just meant so much to him. When I see staff members, whether they are plainclothes or they're in a uniform, everybody always says hello, and I think that translates out into the community about how we care about the people that enter into our facility. It's a feeling of family.